Kashan Mandir Private Limited.
Hello students, let us learn General Science for class 1 from the book Science Square. Today we are going to read the chapter 12, Weather. In this chapter we are going to discuss about weather and various seasons. Let us begin the chapter. We know that condition of air around the earth is called weather. That is how the air is there. What is the condition of the air? Whether it's cool, whether it's hot, that only we'll call it as a weather. What makes the weather? Sun, rain and wind. All together makes the weather. Sun, rain and wind all together makes the weather cool, hot or windy. Weather keeps changing. It is cool in the morning. While we are going to school, it will be cool. Or you go in morning walk, morning exercise, it will be cool. While it is hot at the noon. And it is again cool in the evening. So, the condition of air around the earth is called weather. The sun, the rain and the wind make the weather. Weather keeps changing. It will be cool in the morning, hot at noon and again pleasant or cool in the evening. Let us learn about weather conditions. Sometimes the sun shines brightly and we call it sunny day or sunny weather. On these days, the weather will be very dry. So we feel very thirsty. We feel very hot. Okay. Sometimes the clouds cover the sky and the day will not be clear. We will say it is a cloudy or rainy day. That is, the sun lies behind the clouds. The clouds cover the sun and the day will not be very clear. We say it is a cloudy or rainy day. On the rainy days, the weather will be wet. So, when the sun shines brightly, we'll call it as a sunny day. And when the clouds cover the sun, we call it as a cloudy day. And on the raining days, we call it as a rainy days. The weather is wet on the rainy days. When the wind is very fast, it blows away the dust and leaves. We call it as a windy weather. Mostly the wind is slow. When the wind is slow, we call it as a calm weather. And when the days are very cold, we call it as a cool weather. Mostly the cool places weather occurs in the snowfall at only certain places and these places will be very cool. So, when the wind is very fast, it blows away dust and leaves. We call it as a windy weather. When the wind is slow, we'll say it as a calm weather. When the days are very cold, we call it as a cool weather. This takes place only in the snowfall. Seasons. A major and long change in the weather is called a season. There are three main seasons in a year. Summer, rainy and winter seasons. These are the three main seasons in a year. March, April, May, June is a summer season. July, August, September, October are rainy seasons. November, December, January, February are winter seasons. So, a season is a long change in the weather. There are three main seasons in a year: summer, rainy, and winter seasons. Summer season. It is very hot season. It falls from March to June. That is March, April, May and June. We call these months as a summer season. The weather is sunny, hot and dry. Sometimes hot and strong winds blow. We need shade. We use fan or a cooler or AC. We wear light cotton cloths. Okay. Summer season is a very hot season. It falls from March to June. That is March, April, May and June. The weather is sunny, hot and dry. Sometimes hot and strong winds blow. We need a shade. We use fan or a cooler or a AC, that is air conditioner. We wear light cotton clothes. We feel more thirsty. Next season is a rainy season. The clouds cover the sky. The clouds cover the sun during rainy season. It falls from July to October. That is July, August, September and October. Sometimes strong winds blow. The weather will be wet. We use raincoat or an umbrella to protect us from rain. We float paper boats in water. So, when the clouds cover the sun during rainy season, we call it as a rainy season. It falls from July to October. That is July, August, September and October. Sometimes strong winds blow. The weather is wet. We use raincoat or an umbrella to protect us from rain. We float paper boats in water. We drink hot water, milk, etc. The last season is a winter season. It is very cold season. It falls from November to February. That is November, December, January and February. We like to sit near the fire or a heater. We put on warm clothes, that is sweater, jerkins, etc. We like to take hot tea or coffee or milk. Let us have a chapter recap. We know that the sun, rain and wind make the weather. Weather keeps changing. A major change in the weather is called a season. There are three main seasons in a year: summer season, rainy season and winter season. This ends the chapter 12.
Vidya Prakashan Mandir Private Limited.